Hello, hello. Your girl is back at it, y'all, okay? This is the before. I am putting on handles for my cabinets. This is the tool I'm going to be using. It is called King and Charles. This is what it looks like. Kings and Charles. I'll be using this tool. And these are the handles. Look, forgive my camera action. These are the handles. Oh, a little blurry. These are the handles I will be using to add to me cabinets. Yeah. DIY over here. It tells of the tale. It's my baby cakes is at work. But yeah, let's get started. My little hole punch. Yes, we are ready. Freddy. I got my drill bits for the holes. My drill bits. It's a little blurry, sorry. There we go. Drill bits for the holes. And I have, of course, the drill. And let's do this. All right, I got everything measured out. This is in inches. This and this matches where this hole and this hole matches where the handles are gonna be. This actually is like goes to the side like this. Like this. So you gotta do your measurement. Don't ask me, because I don't know, okay? But anyway, this is flat up against the cabinet door, and this, the bottom, prevents it from going up and down. And since I've already measured for this hole and this hole, I will be using this punch. Gotta make sure you keep it straight or you gonna be in a world of trouble. Oops. All right, let me get this, let me focus. Focus, press Tracy, focus, okay. So, here we go. I'm going to use a punch. I better hold it, I'm right-handed. And I need to figure this out, give me a second. Put this up here like this and this. Let me see if I can get it to be exactly right. There we go. Up. It's up. Can't move up. And it's flush against the cabinet door. Use my punch. 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 It will leave an indentation here and here. And then when I try and do this side, the same applies, right? So I was like this. So I'm going to do this. Uh-oh, nope. Flip it over. Nope. This way. Here we go. I'm gonna get it. Wait. Here we go. Nope. Ugh. That and that. Come on, Tracy, think. This goes against here. Flip it over. Flip it over. And flip it over. And do the same thing. Punch. Punch. I don't know if you can see that, but my punch is here and here, here and here. And let me go get a towel cause it's gonna make a mess. So how y'all doing? Man, it has been a joy It has been a joy working on the house, putting things together. Like we did the pantry and got that done. It has really been rewarding. And at times I can say it's been stressful, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna lay this across here because it's gonna create some dust or shavings, you know. And I'm just gonna lay this right up here like that. Help me decrease the mess, okay? And I'm gonna open this, and you usually get a blowout in the back. So I am going to put and it doesn't help. I'm just gonna tell you right now. I'm put some painter's tape up here to assist with the blowout in the back. I'll show you the blowout in the back once I start drilling. All right, that's done. We will then take your drill. You're gonna drill a pilot hole first. Listen, let me tell y'all. I asked for power tools for Christmas. I want power tools so I can do my DIY items. But you want to do a pilot hole before you do the main hole for your cabinet. Now, take your cabinet screw, not your cabinet screw, your handle screws, and see if they'll go in. Oh, I don't know if you can see this. Bring you closer. This is what I mean when I say blowout. You see all of this? That's a blowout. Let me show you. See? So you kind of have to pick this off because you want the screw flush. I could be doing this wrong, but who looking at the inside of your cabinet screw? Nobody. If they are, honey, they, I don't know to tell you. And it's up here like that too, so. And I probably just need to get a razor blade and just, yep. Let's see if the screw will fit. Because sometimes they will, sometimes they won't. Very temperamental. Okay, this one went in. And that's why I, you know, switch that drill bit around a little bit. There we go. There we are. Now let's put the handles on. Perfect fit. And screw away. If it gives you a hard time, I take the drill bit, put on a screwdriver head, and I screw it in. Let's get this done. Screw until it gets tight. Good. This one until it gets tight. Here we are. What y'all think? Your girl did that, okay? It looks nice, doesn't it? All right, people, we finna, I said that right, fentanyl. We are about to measure the drawers. The drawer is 34 inches. Let me write on something. So half of 34 is Milo. If you don't be quiet, go to bed. Half of that is 17. So I'm gonna input mark my 17. Don't do that. Stop it. Okay, 17. Put me a mark right there, y'all, with pencil. I can barely see it, but I see it. And then I'm gonna see how, and that is 5. Half of 5 is 2.5.
The next day.
Oh, I can't see it. That doesn't help me at all. Help me at all. I don't even see the 7. Oh, I do see the 17. The 17 is right here. Okay, let me see if I can get 2.5. So the 2.5 is right here. It's right here. Ooh! Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to take this. Alright. It's here. Ooh, this is going to be difficult. Alright, this is. Let's see if I can do it this way so I can see where I marked it. That's not going to help me because. So 2.5 is here. 17 is there. Let's bring this hole right here. Let's move this so we can get center. So bring this up a little bit until I can see my so-called mark. It's about there. And I'm gonna squeeze, and then I'm gonna move it over. Now let me say it's about right now. Ooh, I'm afraid, I'm so afraid. I'm afraid, I'm so afraid that won't be the center. I'm gonna come back after I figure it out. All right, I'm back. And I done made me a little concoction. Let me see, bring it a little closer. I was having difficulty. So of course you saw me measure from one end to the other end, which is half of that is 17. And then I measured up and down, which was, this is 5 inches, so I knew I need to come down, get 2.5, which makes it center. So, and then I marked it with my pencil, but I could barely see, so I went and got me, I had to improvise. I had to find something where I can see, because right through this hole, I don't know if you can see, but right here, it would be the center. So I needed to be able to see where my 2.5 mark up and down, and my 17 mark, you know, left and right. So then to make sure I had these equal, and this is like 8 inches. So I'm push this over until I can see the white mark in between the little hole here. I need to get some rollers for this thing. You can't see it, but it's a hole right here, right there. A little hole that I can see the white out that I put in there. So what I'm gonna do is leave that like that. Now I know my measurements, I know all of that, and then I'm gonna come back with my, baby, did you bring the hole punch? Give me that hole punch thing. I'm gonna use this to create an indent where my screw's supposed to go. And I hope it works out. If not, oh well. I'll be back. I'm gonna take these off of here because I know now that this is my measurement for the handle for perfect center. I'll be back. Close.
You gotta make sure everything's good.
Oh my gosh, you wasting my time. Get out of the way.
You'll be all right.